Hey friends, this is my trip after the lockdown. It's October 15th, 2020 and I've come out from my home after around 7 months. So currently I'm at Siliguri and I'm planning to visit Duars today. We are going to Sinclair's retreat Duars. So Duars is actually 70 kilometers from Siliguri. It's around 85 to 90 kilometers from Bagdogra airport. It's a day's trip and we'll be back by tomorrow morning. The time is around 1 PM now. We will be staying at Sinclair's. I will show you the place when I reach there. I have my mask with me and just for this video I have removed it. Be safe. If you are planning to go anywhere, visit any place, make sure you are wearing your mask. We are taking the Sevok route. So this is our car. I'm going with my friends. So I'll introduce them when we reach Sinclair's. It's 1:50 on the clock and we have just reached Chalsa. I just got out of the car to take a video of Chalsa. This is the Chalsa bus stand. So see you at Sinclair's. I'll just show you the route of the Sinclair's from Chalsa. Make sure you visit Duars. It's a very beautiful place. We are almost here. We have reached Sinclair's. We are inside the Sinclair premises and we are just going to check in now. This is the entrance and we are going for check-in. We have just checked in and now we are going towards our room. This is the area. These are the rooms. Basically the small cottages, you can say. Well, this is the room. That's actually nice. Three people can easily accommodate here. This is the recreation area, if you can say it. It's a huge open space. It's very less crowded. A lot of trees you can see here. It's very calm. While check-in, they took our temperature at the reception. And they also asked us to fill a form which states normal general measures which has to be taken for COVID-19 and whether any of us has any symptoms recently or before. Then they gave us the room keys. So now we are here. I have come here with Arjun and Dhruv. You have seen them in my Thailand vlog. In case you have not seen my Thailand vlog, you can visit the link which is mentioned in the description below. We are just going to the restaurant now. I'll take a tour of this place. We booked a deluxe room and these are the suites here. This is the swimming pool arena, but currently it is closed because of the COVID. So you can see that swimming pool over there. This is a banquet area. There are a couple of other banquet areas as well as halls too. Because of this COVID-19, this place is not very crowded. You can visit with proper precautions, and they have adhered to all the safety guidelines which I can see. This is the restaurant. It's called the Palm Terrace. This is the restaurant area. You can even sit outside and have your food. We had a lunch here. The food was not really good. Maybe it can be because of this current ongoing situation. They don't have their cook. They're definitely understaffed. But yeah, if you're expecting any high quality or really good food, so this is definitely not the place which I suggest at this moment. And I've heard from my friends who have visited this before COVID, the food was good. So I don't know, it can be because of this current ongoing situation. 4:50 on the clock, and I'm just standing on the watchtower, and you can see the sunset from here. It's not actually a whole clear view, but you can see the sun. This is the swimming pool I was talking about, so it's not maintained now. So there's another viewpoint where they told us that we can have a clear view of the Chalsa. This is basically a leisure spot, so you can come and relax with your group. You can see a variety of trees. It's 6 o'clock and it's quite dark, you can see, but the place is well lit and you can actually move around. Still you can move around. There are a lot of marriage halls here, so they actually conduct destination wedding. A lot of people from all over India come here for their wedding. If you are planning for something like that, you can definitely come here and talk to them. It's so far a really cool and calm place. In the morning it was quite hot, but now it's very soothing. I'm actually enjoying it here. If you ever want to spend some time in peace away from all the city hustle, just be here. If you like the video, do put your like, comment and share. Hello, it's our second day here. It's 9:30 on the clock and we are going for breakfast. This is how the morning looks like at Sinclair's Retreat Duos. It's a sunny day. Last night we went for dinner at around 9 PM and the dinner was decent. Like, it was better than our lunch. And after that we came to our room and we did a jam session. We got to know that we are the only ones staying here in Sinclair's at this moment. It is fully empty, so the lights were also very less. It was dark mostly, but still we took a walk after our dinner. It was really peaceful, calm and quiet. You can definitely experience that. This is the open dining area. This is their main entrance. It's 1:30 and we are just checking out from Sinclair's Retreat Duos. It was a really good experience and we will definitely come back to this place. If you need any special event to be organized or any kind of decorations, anything you want to do, you can get it done here very easily. So it was actually a great experience. I'll definitely recommend you to come here. do visit this place if you want to spend some leisure with your friends or family or any group. Now we are heading towards Siliguri, and on the way we'll visit some places. I'll keep you posted about that. Currently I am in this village called Metli. It's very near to Sinclair's. From here you can go to Samsing or Santalekola. Those are another tourist spots. So we just visited this Kali temple. If you want, you have time, you can definitely come here. Well, I'm standing in front of Hanuman Mandir. It's in Mal town. The entry to the mandir is prohibited because of COVID-19. This temple is located in the city of Mal. So you can visit this temple while you're going back from Chalsa towards Siliguri. Now it is closed, you can't enter the premises, but you can definitely come and offer your prayers. We are planning to take that Gajoldoba route this time. It's 4 o'clock and we have just reached Siliguri. We thoroughly enjoyed this road trip, so I hope you guys will also like it. Do like, subscribe and share this vlog if you liked it, and please leave your comments and your suggestions how to improve my vlog. I'll definitely appreciate that. Thank you very much.